one of this one.
Yeah, cheap one of this one.
You want the big sprat them?
Yeah.
Erin sprat. You know what I name there?
Alright
That's what I used
guys.
to call it.
Alright guys, welcome back. You don't know we're
Erin
there
here,
here.
you know.
Oh, yeah?
Huh?
It's a Erin sprat, it's a sprat there.
Oh,
so
that
there's a
one.
difference between Erin Sprat and Sprat?
Yeah, because Erin are the bigger one.
Oh, I say man, I say Erin sprat.
Erin are the bigger
See you man laugh
So,
out.
I'm going to do, I take 3 pound though.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, back the pound them differently.
No, they put everything in the bag.
Okay, you're going to put 2 more pound on it.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah guys, so we can't leave without catch with, you know, without catch with Erin Sprat.
Yeah, the lady say a big one.
Erin.
Erin.
sprat.
Oh, Erin sprat. Oh,
Yeah, man.
come get a sprat fish. Which part is? Oh, which part is a Petro Jam there? A Petro Jam there, sir? Yeah.
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey.
Garvey.
Right at Petro Jam.
Marcus Garvey.
Come to Marcus Garvey Drive, right next to Petro Jam, and get your Erin sprat.
Nice.
Darling.
Nice. Look good. Guys, so bittersweet, today is our last day in
Wow.
JA, heading back to Canada. You don't know guys, and you see you guys liking up the video so far, so I feel good, you know, it's a good feeling.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah man, it's a good feeling guys. You don't know we're on the main road here, Marcus Garvey Drive, traffic heavy. You know, as many as I said, I still liking up the video so far, so really appreciate, you know. And thank you guys so much for staying tuned, subscribing, watching all the vlogs, the Jamaica series of vlogs. And you don't know, next time you see us, we will be in Canada, you know, celebrating with you guys, giving you a review, and of course sharing information with you and giving you fun vlogs. So now we'll get the fish them and gonna head by mommy, and she'll go fry them up, right? She'll go fry up the sprat them to it.
So you're going to leave your tip then.
You have left for tip?
Yes. Not true. You must have left a tip. Tell him same way.
God bless you.
Alright, thank you. Alright.
Watch this flag all over your face.
One man. You give too much trouble.
Okay, guys.
No, that's not yours. Leave the lady. Jeremy, get your sprat.
Sprat, mommy, no mommy fry. Good sprat.
That's it. So the little minibus them we used to take from downtown to Portmore.
To Portmore City.
Right. Little coaster bus them.
Guys, I will be missing Jamaica, but honestly, Jamaica expensive. Bad.
True.
Bad. It's so expensive here. Cost of living is high. I don't know who can relate here. You come Jamaica with a little bit of money, or you come with some money, it just going like this.
Right, the wind.
Yeah man, it's just going. So I'm gonna miss Jamaica for sure, but you know, kind of glad to be going back to Canada as well.
You're not reporting on the weather.
Oh no, it's approximately 85 degrees Celsius. Sorry, Fahrenheit, you know. Should
It's
be
hot. That's all I
it
know.
should be in the high 80s. It feels hot outside.
Really hot.
Yeah, so maybe 90, 80.
Who don't know
90 degrees.
Jamaican girl
We supposed
attitude?
to buy from this lady this morning?
Yeah.
No, the other lady. So guys, this morning we came by to buy some Erin sprat and check the wallet and realize I'm gonna have no money. You know, cause we have been using card all along. And then we have a whole heap of cash. But I didn't really realize that the cash, you know, was all gone. Cause the money just a blow. Blow. So you have all 30 grand. Honestly guys, and it gone. That's approximately maybe 280 Canadian dollars. Gone. You can't spend that within 2 days, like Rashi?
True.
Different from fuel.
Especially when they're moving around.
Moving around and you buy a piece of
Right.
chicken there and you buy box food here. Money just go, you don't even know where it gone. Expensive bad man. Them need to raise salary, they need to raise minimum wage. See the lady there.
But don't they need to do that in Canada too?
For sure.
So you don't think it's a worldwide thing?
I mean, I know.
It's just that when you're working minimum wage in Canada, you can afford stuff comparatively with Jamaica.
True. So guys, we're in the traffic now and you're going to see us when we reach home, alright? Or when we reach my mommy. Guys, so finally I get some jelly. See that? The old jelly face.
Want the jelly, you know, long one drink jelly.
Yeah.
Thank
If I want a year one, that one that look nice.
Sure, me I take the one I can see too. It have the nice jelly in it. Jade no one on. You have to carry one for your mother.
Yeah, I have to carry one for her still. Then them now come out. Respect general. I know on a straw, not true. Guys, we finally get a chance to do it, you know. This should be the first thing I would do, drink some jelly, no?
That was the plan, but the flight not reached yet.
And then you find all different type of stuff, you know. Guys, this is a nice spot. Right, you have everything here with the right hand. This is which road? Port Henderson Road. So guys, I said the evening traffic. I know a lot of people don't miss this traffic. Go all the way back down to the roundabout and extend up to Nago Z. Yeah. I don't miss this traffic at all though. Eh?
Coconut water, wash off your heart.
Alright guys, so
if you know some heart bad, get some jelly and wash it off. So me I wash off my water.
guys, this Jamaica vlog is so nice. You get to do a lot of stuff that I wanted to do in years.
No cool running in that team.
For you guys in the cold, hush. For all the guys in the cold, hush. All me can say, I'm sorry. Alright, so we're gonna buy the jelly now. Yeah, buy the cane.
Yeah.
Okay, so cane, jelly, and what else?
The pepper for your mother.
Yeah, for Friday Sprat, eh?
We're gonna get one fever grass.
Fever grass. Alright guys, we're up on the go. We are trying to do whatever we didn't get to do. We're trying to do them now before we leave. Sweet, eh?
Wow. What you mean? Herbal man. You mean you know that herbal man song there? Yeah, so them have the herbal man things in. Oh, your jelly come. You see your jelly?
That's why I like it soft. I don't like it too tough. When the jelly is soft, you get that nice taste.
Yeah. Remember the pepper, remember the star apple, and these berry session. Guys, if you also want herb, they have everything here. You know, fever grass, so them have all the herbal stuff. But this one, clean and bill. This one, apple cider, molasses. Why not them back here? Herbal healing oil. This one, seaweed, colored moss, seaweed. This cinnamon leaf for porridge. I don't know what is that. This looks like ganja. So, how much is fever grass? Okay.
What are you digging for? The grocery shopping? Guys, she have everything. Huh?
Yeah, she have pepper. What should I take up 4?
How much is supposed to get? 6?
150 for 6.
150 for 6?
Pepper dear.
Pepper expensive, eh? Everything expensive. So guys, we're at the ranch right now. From your see we face, you know we beat, but you don't know when I stop. We're gonna keep on vlogging. Alright? As what we said before, we're gonna be vlogging non-stop here in Jamaica. Nearly said Canada, right? We're here in Jamaica. Today is our last day. Somewhat bittersweet feeling, you know what I mean?
I want to come back.
Yeah, but money are blow fast. The money is going so fast.
Back, bring it come.
Yeah, man. But let's show you guys what I go on. You know, mommy one day free up some sprat. You know, earlier we showed you so we have some sprat, don't it? Our herring sprat. What was the difference between sprat?
It says sprat small and herring sprat big.
Say it again.
Herring sprat big, like it's fat, The large one and
Yeah.
the sprat are the small one.
Or the small one. Alright guys, see sprat them. Well fried and look boasty. You see them? Sprat there, so see them we are going to fry up. And we still have some more left, eh? Alright. So things are going at the square. What are the last words?
I don't want to leave Jada one more time.
Jada? Jada really love Jamaica. Jamaica, Jada?
Yeah, I like Jamaica, but
You want to go back to Canada?
yes and no.
Yes or no? Well, maybe me and Jada feel the same way still. Yeah?
It's funny now.
Yeah, I feel weird. This is the last day.
That's weird.
Yeah. So guys, we get to drink the jelly.
Yeah?
We buy cane.
Yeah, we have Kian.
We eat cane tonight.
Yeah. I shall put Janet Kian.
Oh yeah, put the fridge up there. And the apple in it. And we have some Jamaican apple.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But close the video now.
Guys, look here, make sure you like up the video.
Yeah.
Share up the video and comment on the video because I want to read those comments. But I see you now go on good night comment section. We have some people for big up. You go on good Shantana, I know your name. You go on good Valerie. You go on good. What kind of pint, Jeremy? One hand pint? How it go?
I think so.
The two Valerie them and Santana.
And Shantana.
Yeah, Mr.
Santana and Shantana.
And what my girl name?
Kadeen, Chrisam.
Kadeen,
Yeah.
Naturally Kelly.
Yeah, for sure. Big up yourself, Naturally
Big
Kerry.
up yourself and Monique, you know yourself, Monique H. And who else?
But you do a poor job, you leave out a lot of names, you know.
Call some name when you remember.
Jam World.
Jam World, yeah, Jam World. And what else?
Well, such mommy. You want pass, mommy want pass. Pass, mommy.
And
Mommy want pass.
which other name?
Go and cook up a star, mommy.
Well,
Rush, search feed. No, search feed. You didn't even say nothing wrong. Nothing wrong.
I don't know my password.
Guys, look at that. Jamaican news. Jackpot.
When I finish with persons who are not from Jamaica, who don't know patois out on the head, don't
There's a Dwight to big up Dwight, same way.
Alright, Jam World, Affiliate MM, Varun Kevin, big up yourself, my friend.
You have a big apology for give to Varun.
Yeah, April Love, big up yourself. Samantha Smith, big up yourself. White, Janet White.
Turn down this for Jada. Turn down the TV.
Even and data commercial clean.
Jada, come turn down the
Big up
TV.
yourself. I wonder if you're clean or in Canada. Jamo J, big up yourself. Hazel, I'm a dear one too, you know. Big up yourself, Hazel. God bless child. God child bless you. Big up yourself. Kira, I love how you spell your name. Big up yourself.
Yeah, me focus.
And me focus. Kathy A. And who else? Ronaldo Williams, senior flake, my love it. Thank you so much for stopping by. And who else must see on this one?
You're gonna cry during this vlog like the last one, like the story time?
No, that one was touching.
For those who
Stace.
don't. Oh, Steve's.
Oh, God, I can't
Russia, you
forget.
violate.
Stace, so can't forget you. Big up yourself, girl. Thanks for stopping by and thank you for the comment. Sashi Miller, big up yourself. Janet Hardy, big up yourself. See Monique again, I'm a dear one. Kerry, Naturally Kelly. D-E-E, big up yourself. Daniel Porter, big up yourself. Thanks for stopping by. Wallace Family, big up yourself. Guys, you can go over there and check out their page. Wallace Family Jamaica, go and check that out. Who else? Summer Donaldson. Oh my love your first name, Summer. I love it. And Anne-Marie Morgan, big up yourself.
Guys, Russia, have a ball.
What? Mona, oh, you forget Mona. Big up yourself, Mona. And Pauline Scott, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Kenisha White, big up yourself. White with a Y, big name that you know. Alright. Chisholm. You did say Chisholm?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
We need to know the other Chisholm. Chrisam.
Chrisam. Oh, Chrisam. You talk about Chisholm.
You can't read and write.
Chrisam Williams. No, Miss
I just violate too.
Oh, I can't forget. Big up Taj Rose.
Yeah,
Big
man,
up yourself
Taj.
straight. I see you on
Taj.
Instagram. Thank you, girl. And Alia Williams. Oh, you forget Alia? Thank you. But Alia look pretty in your picture though. Wow. And who else? Favor Shell. I seen you from the other day. Big up yourself. And Marsha. Oh, forget you. You're one of the dear one. And Marsha. Pauline Scott, big up yourself.
You say Pauline Scott, I think.
You say it already?
Yeah.
Ice Kid. I don't know you. You know the name?
As of lately.
As of lately, big up yourself. Thanks for stopping by. But this time, me focus. I'm going to have two Valerie.
Yeah,
the one with the Lord and the next Valerie. Big up yourself. We have a new subscriber to one of my videos, them. I'm going to have to big you up. The person even mentioned that them like the vlog. Let me see if I can find them.
From Poland.
It's from
It's a
Poland.
guy from Poland. Guys, excitement are going around here.
Alright, let me see what the person is. What may take so long? April Love, I said that already, don't it? Dwight. Ronaldo Williams, big up
I think
yourself.
it is a Ronaldo too.
You say it already?
Yeah.
Oh, it was MM, was a new
MM,
subscriber. Big up yourself, MM.
Can you imagine that, guys, rushing on most of our subscribers, most of those who comment all the while.
Guys, I have something special. I come up for my regular commenters.
It's really special.
I will start to know out wicked. So make sure you say on our like, and most importantly, make sure that you're commenting.
You realize you laugh after me, so me lose a little competition.
Listen.
Guys, I lost the competition, and why if you laugh, you know?
Guys, once me
but thank you so much, guys, for, you know, I give you all of the big up them. Appreciate it, see me, because you know your boy have art.
And guys, thank you so much for the ones that are supporting us outside of giving information. That means a lot to us. And like people who must say regularly can like comment, it means a lot to me. And if anybody know me, anybody touch that spot there, I have to give back. So just stay tuned. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. But keep on commenting. Right? And make sure so now listen in detail, because when Rashid throws some certain question, my real dear one, they must know that about Rashid.
How come you in jacket in this warm?
No, this is not a jacket, it's a shirt.
It's a shirt,
it's a
long
denim
sleeve
material.
Okay, so it's not that hot?
No.
Okay.
And my mother-in-law teach me that when the sun is hot, I should cover my body. I used to wear spaghetti strap, you know, a lot. And then she teach me, Rashida, why you burning up your skin? If you keep your skin clean, you must stop wearing spaghetti strap in the sun, and you must wear long sleeve. So from that, I start wearing long sleeve when it's sunny.
Jade, what are you doing in the fridge?
No, so Miss Janet, you teach me that. So I must wear spaghetti strap when the sun is hot. I must cover my
body. I thought eat the fish already, but me not get the bread.
So lady, she said that keep your skin clean and nice. Yeah.
You wanna want the bread, Rashida?
No, I want the bread.
You don't want the bread? This nice bread. You want bread, don't moment? You want bread?
If you want it,
you want it? Yeah. And come back kind of hard still. So I'm going to eat maybe 2 and then stop and buy a bread.
Switch for Jeremy and love him belly from, because my mother love fireside.
She a fireside like one time.
Yeah, she's not going to say no. Already she's tired, she's not going to say no.
What? Who's there? Who's there? Tell you the man stop showing off, you know, man.
Yeah, una mother will love fireside.
Ah, you love our fireside too? Yeah, you can bust the wine. You bust the wine, Rashi?
Yeah, bust the wine. Which one?
How the spread taste, Jay?
Tastes good. I hope so.
Look more salty. Me could have better say it not having enough salt. We could have guessed that Jay want it more salty. Me I go try it still.
You don't want too much salt.
No, they don't put enough salt.
Not too salt, not too.
Yes, salt.
I make you drink enough water.
Said that. I heard somebody say that the other day. So when you drink, you eat too much salt and you drink water.
Yeah?
Yeah. Salt syrup on the Wow.
Me hear somebody with
Yeah, so swell you.
So guys, as we say, you know, you see Rashi carry on a while ago, it's a bittersweet day. We've been on the road all morning trying to tie up our business.
guys, if we did over here long time, would have big so when we are come back.
True,
Cause she go cook morning, noon and night.
true. Not
Literally.
again, maybe twice.
No, she cook cause she have visitors, so she go cook.
Oh yeah, you hear that? Big up, you see that you get crazy, big up, you know. But guys, may I tell you, you come to Jamaica, like there's so much to do. So much to do.
Especially if you want to stay in touch with Jamaica.
Yeah, you
Like
want
for
that
us,
Jamaican.
we really don't want to detach too much from Jamaica.
For Jado, you can't buy nothing now, too late. Tomorrow you're leaving, you know.
Guys, you see that? Grandmother tried to gift from Jamaica to go to Canada. What a little boy lucky. Eh? You see? But you know,
Thursday. No! Oh!
she did go hotel.
Achoo.
You know, like me, know.
Achoo, boy, my mother, guys,
Sharp.
my mother memory, immaculate, sharp,
And checking money.
and checking money.
Nah, miss.
One name Shappy Lily, one name Money Kete. Money. Guys, if you don't know, Miss Janet,
Nah, miss.
Money Kete.
And try no. Try not tell no lie because she go listen and say.
And say, how come- how come they did say?
last time? How come you did say this? Try no, you have your maths right.
Yeah, that's why I don't like talk to mommy, guys, because you have to remember what you tell her. You can't tell a lie. No lies. But guys, trust me, we really appreciate it, guys, the support. I love it, the comment section loud.
And big up on yourself.
Yeah, they actually
big up on
commented,
yourself.
so we
I love them, you
appreciate
see.
it.
My regular
Trust
people,
me.
them, I love them. You notice I'm run and I'm frightened nobody will just answer. If you see we don't answer a while, because we
But-
really can't answer, but we
Yeah.
really want to
And
answer right
guys,
now.
more want to see with you somewhat because like you come to Jamaica every day we're doing like 5, 6, 7 different things. So we can't get to push out the videos as far. So you might see a video today and we did that 2 days ago.
True.
So if somebody trying to meet and greet, it might be hard because we might be in Kingston now. But tomorrow, we don't even know where tomorrow going.
But guys,
We're going,
because
where we're going to be tomorrow?
so much persons reached out to us about that, we're really gonna plan a meet and greet with persons, right? And it's gonna be special. When Rashia comes, she not come with her hand empty. So more I know who are
Yeah.
come at the meet and greet.
Yeah.
So I can really prep for you guys. You know what I mean?
Because a while ago I was reading some messages and like I felt so bad because
Yeah.
the trip is not really like a trip where we have like a day.
So we
Do something.
planned our little vacation that you saw earlier, but really it was about business, really and truly.
Good.
You know
Good.
what I
And
mean?
then now when we are reading the comments, it's time when we're about to leave. So
Yeah.
you might see in a video, and we did that 3 days ago. So you might think that
Right.
we're in town when we are now in Ochi, and then it just kind of
And
all
it's
over
not
the
fast
place.
fight. We really try to be consistent when we're in Canada, but then moving around
We are
because
consistent.
we're
We are
consistent in Canada, but
But it's
here we
No.
never get a chance.
No,
to.
hold on. We are consistent. But the thing is that if you record the video today, today is what? Let's say today is Monday. You might get the video Wednesday.
Right.
That's the problem that we're having right now because we're trying to capture as much footage as possible. Eh?
So if you want the wine.
Oh yeah, me go sip the wine. So you get the message, guys. We're trying our best to capture enough footage so we can't edit and capture at the same time because we're on the go. We are move around all day, so there's no time to sit down and edit.
So guys, you know we soon see Mommy Wally, but maybe when you see her, she on the snow. So you will see her very
So guys,
active.
more want to bear with us and understand. Eh? Go on and chat and chew me off over there. So what going over there?
So look
So?
for a wine glass.
Wine glass? No, me drink the wine out of a cup. Oh, that's a nice glass. Well, give us out a cup. Me drink out of the glass.
Give you out of the cup, you know, easy. And me
You
get
know
out
use
of
the
the
liquor.
glass.
You know liquor person.
Yellow tail?
Yeah.
It no strong.
No, sorry, not strong.
But guys, I love you all. Thanks for the support, the continuous support. I really love you, and we're going to push out for you. We have some good content coming up.
No, we've been doing that still.
No, may I push out good content, but I say good content, may I have some information to give you
Long
guys.
time you said that because the last set of vlogs you just been, huh? Yeah, bro. Boy, where you going over there? What's going on over there? Mommy have a big setup. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing now. Mommy I treat you good. I don't know what I'm going. What's going on?
Come back.
We have to come back, come to official meet and greet still, but yeah.
But guys, Jamaica nice. And when you go in, if you have a choice, let me put it that way. If you have a choice, don't throw the stone there.
Yeah.
If you have the choice.
If you have the choice,
If you
but
have the
everyone's situation is not the same.
Right.
So whatever we are doing, we're not expecting you to do it. It's just that we migrated to Canada and like we dreamt about it for years to migrate. We wanted to leave Jamaica, but we also wanted to be able to visit Jamaica even though we're living overseas. So we are true, I'm not gonna say we are. I am a true Jamaican.
I think so.
You're
More
not-
than me.
More than you.
You love foreign.
Rashida is a sellout. She don't want to go on
You love foreign too?
You love Jamaica more. You know the reason why I love Jamaica more? Because you experience foreign.
For how long?
For how long?
So, you know, it
but
don't really
persons
matter
who
to
not get
you.
the opportunity to live overseas, not long enough yet. Not long enough yet. Guys want me give me wine glass and all them thing. Yeah, but as me I say, foreign nice, but if you're overseas for long, you're gonna start miss Jamaica. If you're a true Jamaican,
Guys, boy, me have to go get the money for come back. Me love it. But it's just that it's really expensive for who now where they work the money. It's really expensive, but me love it.
And you realize that we've been speaking patois a lot too.
Oh gosh, guys, you must learn patois by now. Who never know it. But I'm gonna try and go back to English language so that if you don't speak patois, you know. Thank you.
Yeah, we have to do that better though.
Guys,
Very difficult. Very
You guys
difficult.
are the treatment.
Because we're not daily English speakers. Eh?
I'm not have to cook. I'm just gonna cook all the time.
Nice doors, a nice vibe. Guys, Pratt, we are eat Pratt and I drink wine. And the last thing we're gonna eat before we go to bed is some cane and brush your teeth. And then
No
tomorrow,
rotten teeth. No
and
rotten teeth,
then
Ronnie.
tomorrow we'll be back on the plane to Canada. So for all those who have been inboxing us for information, and we promise that we're gonna call you.
We're going back on track.
We will be back on track, alright? So
Yeah.
don't think we forget about this is
True,
just a
man.
vacation, and this is not a teaser. This is just to show you that when you come to Canada, you can sort out yourself quickly and you will be able to vacation. Eh? Boy guys, my mother excited. Allah, you have the chicken ready for chicken. Oh my. Take out the chicken and show them. Jada. Take it out, no, mother, take it out. Jada should lift it off. Guys, the mother sees up the chicken for we jerk it today. Man, and we never get a chance to jerk it, reach late. You see it? No, we're not there. See them? Well seasoned up and everything. And we didn't get a chance to jerk it. Look how it look nice.
Also,
Janet, that Avon lime juice got it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Let me know your season me.
Yeah. So anyway, we are close to vlog still.
Yeah.
World for fun and excitement to go on.
You have to come up and make me come out of the kitchen.
Yeah. So guys, run it off to me, the wifey.
Bye guys, I love you all. Thank you for the support.
And
Love,
next time
love,
we
love,
come
love,
and
love,
I'll
love,
bring
love,
you.
love.
Guys, don't tell me we're supposed to bring Rashid the next time around when I come to
I need a lot, me come.
Must be, because you're there everywhere. You're there everywhere. You see your lady said to you today?
So she sure me
She
come.
sure said me there, you're there here.
So me I do watch you.
Look so. Guys, tell me if you think Rashid watch me.
When me I watch such
There's
you.
no way I'll watch.
Why watch sausage?
Guys, big up on yourself. We're out. In a dish? That's alright, man. Them know you have fancy dish, man. Guys, mommy, I worry say it now you not fancy enough dish.
She have her thing them.
Yeah, guys. So,
Smell good though.
yeah, bring home any other way I do.
Yeah, me I bring up some, don't Miss Janet?
Guys, you love the herring sprat?
Look nice, it smell good too with the onion and thing and pepper. Hey, the pepper
vinegar.
you seasoning it? Pepper you smell good.
One thing when we have vlog, it come like we don't want to stop it, man.
Yeah man, this nice. This coming like when we used to go buy Sprat when you know they used to have some little thing on the road and you buy like the dumpling with it. Oh yeah, the fish. It smell like it.
Yeah, and guys, if you haven't, tried herring sprat, if you're not from JA, you're not from Jamaica, you can try herring sprat. It's really good.
Fried nice with vinegar and What is name? Onion and pepper. Nice.
Nice.
Smell good. And
Apple cider vinegar you use?
Smell good.
Alright guys, we're out for the last time.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'm gonna eat my sprat right now.
You
Big up
see your
on
face?
yourself.